What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is actually going to be a really fun one. I'm super excited. You guys can already tell by the title of this video of what's going on, but before we get into that, I want to go ahead and show you guys the new duckbill wing that I did make. I know in my previous video I didn't do any talking or explaining or really anything. I just kind of just did it. But for those of you OG subscribers, you guys already know I've done this wing in the past, but I decided to do it in a little bit of a different way. Alright, so here it is, guys. So a lot of you guys are asking me, what wing is this? Where's the link? Guys, to be honest, I like to be original for at least a small amount of time, so you guys can try to figure it out. But I will tell you though, in this video, there is a hint as to what kind of wing this is. You guys can think about it, but I want to keep it on the down low, but I have done it in the past. So pretty much this wing is not made for the car. It is a complete one-off wing made for a completely different car, but I did have to do a lot of trimming. In the past when I've done this, I made it to where these points came here, so I cut it in half, shortened it, and it was just on the trunk. I wanted to try something a little different, actually have it overlap, because I didn't point this out either, but if you follow the body line, it comes directly to it. Same thing on this side. So we are not done yet. We still have to do some good blocking, and I am going to be extending this down so it's pretty flush to the actual body of the car. But again, if you guys have not seen that video, make sure you go and check it out. So as you guys know, I've started hitting up car meets and everything again, so I kind of wanted to do something kind of more for kicks and giggles and just pure fun. So we went ahead and got a cop siren, boys. So it has 5 different tones. You can talk into it and everything. Yeah, so here it is right here. 80-watt car siren, horn, mic, PA, speaker system, super loud, which we'll see about that, but I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and quickly open this up and check it out. And here we have everything. Here's the horn. This is the PA system part where you're gonna talk and all the buttons are. And then you have all the electrical. So we're gonna open this up, lay it out, and then we're gonna try to get this fully installed today. I wanna get this somewhere right up in the bumper area, maybe in the engine bay, I don't know quite yet. But let's open this up and we'll see. So this is what you guys are gonna go ahead and get. So you have the actual speaker part, or not the speaker, but the mic. So go ahead and hold it down, you have all your things. And it does have a plug right here, which plugs right here, which is really long, so that's awesome. And then you're gonna have a positive and a negative, which we most likely are gonna have to extend unless we can find a spot. But for now, I wanna hook that up and test it out. All right, so we have the speaker right here. Maybe we should move back a little bit. That's pretty actually loud. Here, I'll point it over here. I'll be right here. This is copy time. Go ahead and pull over. That is loud. I'm honestly scared to hit the siren. Oh my god. I'm terrified to hit the siren. It's pretty loud.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, what's going on?
Here we go, guys. Ready? Let's do the horn. That's so cool. All right, siren. That is so sick. Hi, LD. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Guys, it is loud. We're gonna install it and go somewhere else to do this. It's loud, like really loud. This is so cool. All right, we got the bumper off. For those of you guys also that don't know and are just watching today's video, I do have 2 lights there, 2 lights there, which are strobe lights along with there. So yeah, pulling up to the meets is gonna be pretty funny. And for all of you guys who are gonna probably comment, dude, you're gonna get busted, I do not use this on the streets, guys, at all. So anyways, with that being said, I think right in here will actually be a pretty good spot, I think. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that, and then we'll just have to, like I said, extend the wires. The reason why I want to do it on this side is just because running this to the cab, I think, is gonna be much easier. Let's see, let me try to figure that out real quick, and then we'll pick up the camera. All right, so that's where it's gonna be. We just gotta get it tightened up, but as you can see, it's sitting on its own. So it'll sit about right there. I think that's gonna be good, right out of the way, but it's gonna come up and the sound will just come pretty much out of the grill area. So I think that's gonna be a really nice area. So let's go ahead and get this tightened up. Like I said, we are going to have to run positive and negative all the way up into the battery. And then this, we'll just have to run it through the car somehow. But I'm thinking about going through where my air suspension runs into. So let me try to get this all figured out, and then we'll just jump straight into it. Throw the bumper on, see how well hidden it is. It's probably gonna show a little bit through there. Actually, a lot of bit through there. Yeah, I think it's gonna show everything, actually. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and just get it tightened up, get everything ran, and I'll show you guys how it looks and sounds and everything when we're done. Bumper's back on, everything is fully done. Horn, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's right in there. There you go, right there. So now it's a matter of getting this installed somewhere. I don't know quite yet where I want it, but let's figure that out. All right, guys, I have you set up about 5 feet away. Let's go ahead and try it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off right there. My neighbors came out, kind of like, what's going on? But there it is, dude. That thing is awesome. Literally on Amazon, $16. I'm gonna try to find the link. I'm gonna put it in the description below. It is so much fun. But again, guys, for those of you guys that may not know, it is not street legal. Maybe some of them might be, like the actual horn part. But as far as the sirens and obviously using the intercom, not legal at all, but it sure is fun, and we're going to use them at meets and whatnot. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Smash that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any other fun suggestions that we should do to the car. Subscribe if you guys are not already. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers, guys. We just hit 4K, but let's go for 5. Let's make it happen. A lot more fun, exciting things to come. Paint is right around the corner. The wing was the last thing that I had to do. I have a few small little touch-ups to do on it, but for the most part, the G is ready for paint, guys. I am so hyped. Stay tuned. Hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. Till next time, as always, peace out.